Okay, people have been requesting me on doing a tutorial on how to make smoke using particle system and Blender. So basically, I'll be doing a tutorial on this, so people will be guided on how to use particle system as a way of producing smoke on Blender. So let's go to Blender first. Here we have an example. We have the first funnel of the Titanic. So what we want to do here is to create a plane first. So let's add a plane over there. Head over to the modifier properties, add modifier, and then what we want to do is change this to particle system. Okay, let me just fix the position of the funnel first. What to do is center that to the map, save. Okay, so here we are going to place this above the funnel because this is where the smoke is gonna be. Minimize the size, make sure like that. There we go. And then what we want to add here as well is a force field, which will be a wind force field. Place it up here by the particle system. What you want to do is also parent these at the same time, parent them, so it won't move anywhere when we do the smoke thingy, as the ship, if you're trying to animate the ship moving. And then next, go to the particle systems tab. As what we can see here, we have the number, the frame start and end, the lifetime stuff, everything. It includes everything. So what you want to do is you can lessen the number because we don't really want that much smoke because it will look bad in the render. So let's try just 250, and 250 number of smoke will be 250, and then the end will be 250 as well. So what we are going to focus here is on the rotation. You have to do that. Change the randomizer there, and then randomizer here. Do not press dynamic. And next we are going to go to physics. What you want to do here is change it to 0.025, which should be at the lightest, because when you press play, oh, look at that, the particles are floating and they're like smoke now. What we are still lacking here is we need an image for a smoke, because basically in particle system we are going to use a PNG of a smoke. Okay, so lifetime, let's change the lifetime to 100. We want our smoke to be higher. Okay, that seems more like it and seems more nice. Okay, what we want to do here next is go to render, set this as object, and then click the show emitter tab, and it should not be checked. We have to make sure it is not. Okay, viewport display, show emitter. You can click that, or it depends on you if you still want to see in the viewport display the thing that emits smoke. But you need to make sure in the render one it should not be seen, because we don't want anything interfering. But in case you may change the color to the smoke emitter as well to black. Speaking of that, let's change the name of the plane to smoke emitter. Okay, and then what we want to do here is add, and then images as planes, and what we want to get is the image for the smoke. Okay, I'm not sure if this is the correct object. Smoke. Oh my, I lost the file. Hopefully I didn't. Okay. Let me just try to snatch a file from let me just snatch the PNG from a different file. So where is that? Okay, we are going to head here, which this is where I actually use the smoke. Copy and smoke test. Oh, okay. Let's change that to material preview and then drop the smoke that we needed. Okay, the PNG is gonna load in a while, so there we go. That's how the smoke looks like. So we're going to drag that under because obviously we don't need that to be seen in the scene. And then what we want to do here is click back to smoke emitter, particle system settings, go down here to your object, and then once more, and click the eyedropper and place it towards the Smoke PNG, and then you'll see the results here. Okay, so we have a problem still, so that the objects are indeed small. So we are going to change this to in terms of render again, which will be the scale of the object or smoke. Oh, okay, change that. I think it's okay. That's too many, so we're going to decrease the size of the smoke here. That's too much, so we are going to decrease the size of it. I mean the amount of it emitting. Let's try with 50. Okay, there we go. And you have your smoke now emitting from the funnels. Good job. You've done it. Yes. Okay, so basically this is the end of the tutorial. Goodbye.